Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Scratch. If you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to use Scratch, well, you've come to the right channel. Here, I'll show you how to use Scratch on Windows 11. Okay, so you first go to scratch.mit.edu. That will take you to the home screen. But if you want to do /projects/editor, it will take you to this editor right here. So, let me tell you the basic things you can do here. You have blocks, you have code, you have costumes, and yes, sounds. And you have choose a sprite, and then you have the sprite information, like the position. This basically we're at 0, y0, so that means it's at the dead center. So you have choose a sprite, you have choose a sprite, that's the search bar, then paint. Surprise means it will bring a random sprite to your editor. For example, if I click surprise, it brought a random character. It brought a random sprite. So it would ask you, are you sure you want to delete the sprite? Yes or no. I'll click yes because we don't need it. We have choose a sprite. Let's click the search bar. It'll take you to this menu. Choose a sprite. You have a lot of options. You have orange, you have party hats, you have polar bears, you have rainbows, you have referees, you have realistic puppies, you got robots, you got some characters, you got skeletons, you got snakes, you got snowflakes, you got squirrels, and then you have the letters, which kind of look like alphabet lore, but yeah, it's just like alphabet lore. You got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And then you have the ones in glow. You have glow 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Then you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. And then you have story A, story B, story C, story D, story E, and so on. So then you have categories here. Like you have animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters. Yeah, mostly that's it. There's also a search bar which you can search your own sprite. Then you have the menu here. Settings, then you have language, you have color mode, high contrast. I choose original. I just wish there's a dark mode in here. Sadly, there's not. There's another mod of Scratch called Turbo Art. We'll get to that later. If you click on this logo, it'll take you to the home screen. If I click on this page is asking you to confirm that you want to leave this blah blah blah. It will stay on the page, but it takes you to the home screen anyway. So if you just type scratch.mit.edu, you will see for yourself. Oh, so anyway, now let's explore the categories here. First, you have motion. You have move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees. But we'll start with move 10 steps. Basically, move 10 steps, move your sprite 10 steps. Yeah, 10 steps. Then turn 15 degrees. It turns right 15 degrees. Left 15 degrees. Then you have random position, which is really cool. Then you have goes to a specific location. Glide 1 seconds. Glide 1 seconds to specific direction. You have point in direction. And then you have that. Yeah. You also have to point towards a mouse pointer. This one is very useful when making pens, like pen program, where the sprite or specific sprite follows your mouse cursor. So if you click this, we basically need a full thing. Like you need an event, you need the control block. I take forever, it goes on forever. And then you go back to motion. Ah! Yeah, okay. Boom. This is a simple program. Boom. As you can see, the sprite is pointing towards the cursor. So let's say my cursor is here. If I rotate, the scratch cat will basically rotate, like it'll be continuously looking at the cursor. Even if it's upside down, you turn up, the scratch cat follows your cursor's move. The only way to disable it is to click these two buttons. You have the green flag, you have the stop button. So click stop button. There you go. Now the scratch cat won't follow you. And basically, to make a pen project, it's very complex. Alright, so if we glide 1 second to mouse pointer. Yeah, we have an on-screen keyboard here, so you can put any value. For example, let's say 5 seconds. Maybe 5 seconds is too much. Maybe 1 is better. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. We basically made an interactive Pac-Man game. Because the scratch cat is following you. It's basically how the Pac-Man like tries to eat your cursor. Yeah, this would make a really cool game. Whoa. Whoa. We basically made a freaking game. Like just 3 blocks. Or 4 blocks. Yeah. It's really cool. It's like you're just trying to avoiding a mad Pac-Man. Yeah. Crazy. Can I prevent the scratch cat from eating my cursor? Great. Whoa. 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 It's really hard. Whoa. Stop scratch cat on time. It can be very cool. Like for example, you can go to control and then you can do this. Create a clone of yourself. It basically creates a clone of yourself. Yeah, this could be also really cool. I mean, it also makes we're making the same pen program. So you got this. Next, we have the when I start as a clone. Oh, and a warning for you guys. Never bring these 3 blocks together and then press the run button. It will freeze your cursor. Yep, it'll crash your computer. I tried it once, and yep, as I told you guys, it crashes my computer. So, don't try that. And don't try this at home. Yeah, next, now let's copy the same code again. When I start as a clone, this is basically a program for the clones. This is the main source code. This is just the clones for the clones. You have glide. You have glide 1 seconds to mouse pointer. So that's this one. Configure it to mouse pointer. By the way, if you don't know what is the mouse pointer, it's basically this cursor right there. So the scratch cat will basically be following this tippy top of the cursor. Then you have point. This is automatically configured. So we'll bring this up here. And then back to control. Then replicate itself again. There you go. Now if we run this code, oh, let's be cool right here. So, we'll do a color effect. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, they're not going in the same direction, but it's really cool. Every time it will create a new clone of itself. Now this has become a very crazy version of Pac-Man. You could upload this to Scratch. Yep, you could upload this to Scratch. And how many views you could get. You could name this Crazy Pac-Man game. It's like, yeah, then this Scratch Cat then stops. It's like a crazy Scratch Cat train. Just do this to confuse the Scratch Cats. Yep, then Scratch Cat is stationary. Yeah. Scratch also has a clone limit, and that clone limit is 300 clones. TurboArt can disable that, but don't do that also. It will crash your computer. Oh, by the way, quick change. Bam. Now, we have all the Scratch Cats changing color. I'm gonna keep running this. Maybe we'll make an infinite clone generator with this. We'll make another green flag clicked. Control. Forever. Then you have a create clone of myself. This will basically be an infinite clone generator. So stop the code. Bam. Oh yeah. Now that you got the infinite clone generator going, you have now a very big Scratch Cat hunter team who take your cursor down. Yeah, this is a really cool project I've made. You can make a new account, and as a homework, I'll tell you guys, you viewers, to recreate this entire code in Scratch. Yeah. The project link will be in the description. So, anyways, as usual, keep learning, smash that like button, and the subscribe button. Bye!